My friend DK here. Welcome to this very important video and playlist for the myEcon Business Review for 2025. In this entire playlist, and you're going to see a link in the description down below this video where you can access my entire playlist and see everything you need to know about myEcon in 2025. I'm not only going to go through obviously the company overview and tell you a little bit more about myEcon and what you need to know. I'm going to go over the full compensation plan, and I'm going to go over obviously the products and services, everything that you have at your disposal, and also let you know how you can get over $10,000 in free value just for getting started with myEcon and joining our specific team. So you're going to get to see everything that you see here on your screen. It's going to be broken down over multiple videos in this playlist so we can keep everything in bite-sized chunks so you don't have to worry about big, long, hour-long webinars and trying to soak up all the information. So you can bookmark this playlist. Make sure that you save this playlist to your favorites. And also, if you're new to the channel here, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, ring that bell icon so you know that anytime I upload new videos here to this playlist or anything here on my channel, you will be the first to know. So let's break it all down. And in this first overview video here, I'm going to dive into the overall business presentation for myEcon. We're going to talk about the products and services. We're going to talk about the compensation plan. And then in the next series of videos, I'm going to dive into what you're going to get when you partner with us, everything that you're going to get with our team, all of your sales funnels, your additional training, your email marketing, your done-for-you sales app, all of that. And then we're going to break down the myEcon products and services and show you inside your members area so you have a full tour of the back office. You know exactly where to go, what you get access to. We're going to break everything down. So let's dive into the initial presentation here and talk about what it's going to take for you to get started with myEcon, okay? So there are three ways to join myEcon, and there are two different monthly membership levels. Let me break them down for you, okay? Coming in at the highest level, you have the Elite Business Membership, which throughout this training and series, we're going to refer to this as the EBM membership level. And you also have the Financial Success Membership level. So those are your two main levels. Now, there's three different ways to join. Okay, you have $99.95 to join at the highest level. Okay, and then you also have $40.95 to join the FSM membership level. Now, you also have a discounted FSM, which is your $24.95. So initially $100, $40, or $25 to get started with myEcon. And then based on what level you come in at, it will either be $59 a month or $45 a month. Okay. So those are the membership levels, how to get started, the price points, what it costs to join, and then what it's going to cost you each month. Now, here's how you start making money. As you go and you start sharing your myEcon affiliate link, if someone joins you at the $25 price point, you're going to make $15. If someone joins you at the $45 price point, you're going to make $35. Someone joins you at the $100 price point, you're going to make $70. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So when you bring people in, that is exactly what you're going to earn the day that they join. Now, as you start to build and grow your team, this is all pretty self-explanatory here, okay? Your first generation is the people that you sponsor. And this is going to come into play in the next series of slides. So pay close attention here. Your first generation, those are the people that you personally sponsor, okay? Pretty simple. The people that they sponsor are your second generation, and then your third generation, and so forth. And this can cascade down through infinity, and that is the power of the myEcon compensation plan. It can literally pay you down to infinity. There is absolutely zero cap on your income. So how much money can you initially make the day that someone joins? This is where it starts getting fun and you start realizing how much money you can make, okay? So this slide here represents the day that someone joins. So depending on the rank that you're at, and I'm going to go over the ranks, how you can rank up, what it takes, and what this looks like for you, okay? Remember, there's two monthly membership levels, okay? So you have $40 per month, or you have the $60 per month, which is essentially FSM or EBM. And it's broken down into those two columns, okay? Now, if someone joins at the lower cost, you can see that down at the bottom of your screen. And yes, I have it for $20 there. It should be $25, okay? But you can understand the basic points here and the basic income that you get, the commissions that you get when somebody joins, okay? As you can see right there on your generation one, your first levels, those are the people that you personally sponsor. You're going to get either $15, $35, or $70. And that's pretty much straight across the board, whatever your rank is. Now, as your team starts to grow and starts to cascade down, generation 2 through 5, you can see what you get depending on the rank that you're at. So for me as an Infinity, okay, anytime someone joins my team from my second level on down, I earn a commission the day that they join. And this is every single person on my team down through infinity. And again, this could be you. So anywhere between $3.50 all the way up to $10 anytime someone joins, regardless of the level. And you can see where this could explode pretty quickly and your income can grow very, very quickly. Now, let's go on over and take a look at what you get when they renew every single month, okay? So now they're only going to be renewing at 1 or 2 different levels. So the $20 or the $25 join level comes out of this point in the equation because now you're only renewing at $40.95 or $59.95. And I just rounded them up on the screen here to have a nice round number, okay? So when someone renews, you're going to get what you see right there on your screen. If you're a gold, okay, when they renew, you can see what you can get, either the FSM level or the EBM level. If you're a platinum, you can see what you get when they renew. And again, platinum would be your first level down through your 4th level. Infinity, now you unlock the entire compensation plan. And you can see as you rank up from Infinity to CEO, where the compensation plan really starts to open up. And I'm going to explain here on the next slide how you rank up and what that looks like for you. It's actually very, very attainable for the average person to get to infinity and higher, okay? So picture this. If you had 500 people on your team or 1,000 people on your team, both of those would put you at the CEO rank where you would be getting anywhere between $6 and $13.30 per person on your team. And chances are, most teams, the way that they grow, most of those people are on your first 5 levels. Also, in myEcon terms, known as your super team. Okay. So imagine getting between $9.50 and $13.30 on every single renewal on your team. And that was 1,000 people. If you just look at averages, that would be about $11.50 to $12 per person times 1,000 people. That's a very significant monthly income with the myEcon compensation plan, okay? And these are very achievable numbers. And the great thing about the myEcon compensation plan is you don't have to worry about placement. You don't have to worry about matrix or binaries or, people going into holding tanks and placing them under certain people. This is a straightforward unilevel compensation plan. The person joins and that's it. They build and duplicate or they don't. It's very, very simple and very straightforward. And there's no gotchas in the compensation plan. There's no minimum order requirements, and there's no other minimum monthly qualifications that you need to have other than having 2 personally active enrolled members. That's it. So let's move on to the next slide and show you how you can rank up with myEcon. It's very simple, very straightforward. I'm not going to go through every bit of information on the slide. You can certainly pause this and kind of dissect all the information here, but it's very straightforward, okay? In order to rank up to gold, you basically have to be an EBM or have 2 personally enrolled members. To get to platinum, okay, either 10 to 15 people on your team, depending on whether you're an FSM or an EBM. Infinity, okay? 75 or 100 people on your team, depending whether you're an FSM or an EBM. And to get to CEO, you need 300 people on your team, regardless whether you're an FSM or EBM. It's very simple, very straightforward. And to hit each rank, you have to have a minimum of 2 personally active enrolled. That is it. And that is why I also love the myEcon compensation plan, because it is very straightforward. It is very easy to understand. And when it all fits on 2 slides, what you get the day they join and then what you get when they renew, it's very straightforward, okay? Now that you understand the myEcon compensation plan, let's get into the overall products and services. I'm going to do a quick overview of these that you get with each of the levels, either FSM or EBM. And then in the following videos, I'm going to dive into each product, each service, and break it down even further. Again, with this entire playlist, so you have a complete and total understanding of everything that you get when you join myEcon, specifically with our team and the thousands of dollars in value that we're going to give you to help you build and grow your myEcon business. So now let's look at the products. Now remember, you have 3 join options, okay? In this option here, everything that you see on your screen, whether you come in at the $25 level or the $40 level, which is the FSM membership level, you're going to get everything that you see here on your screen. Let me break it down for you. The income shifting tax strategy, also known as your W-4 correction. This is going to help you increase your take-home paycheck. On average, our members are seeing about 10 to 15% raises in their take-home pay. So if you do some quick basic math, if a person makes about $50,000 a year, okay, and they went through this process, you could see about a 10 to 15% increase in your paycheck, which would be about $5,000 to $6,000 annually, or about $380 to $400 per month in take-home pay. That without having to ask your boss for a raise, okay? That is what income shifting can do for you. We also have the My Credit Repair System, which will teach you and help you increase your credit score. We all know here in the USA that credit is king. If you don't have a good credit score, then it can be very hard to get mortgages, loans, financing, all of those things, okay? We're going to show you how to take your credit from poor to fair, fair to good, or even good to great, just like it did for me when I went from a 500 plus credit score to now over 800, okay? The Cash Flow Manager, this is going to help you manage all of your personal and business finances. You could run this from an app right on your phone, take pictures of receipts, keep track of all of your business expenses. So come tax time, you're going to be able to take massive advantage of this product here and give your tax professional either a CSV file or you can literally print it out, and it's going to have all of your documented deductions and make tax time a breeze for you. Debt elimination software. Well, plain and simple, this is going to help you eliminate your debt in a fraction of the time. And especially, and I'm going to go over this in the corresponding videos and show you how you could use the income shifting tax strategy, which is the first thing I shared with you. You're going to be able to use that and combine that with the debt elimination software and chip away your debt in a fraction of the time. Lastly, investment training education. This is going to help you start to learn how to have your money make more money for you. And simply put, this is where people go to Las Vegas to pay hundreds or even $1,000 to attend seminars and learn investment strategies, stocks, bonds, things like crypto and stuff like that, where you're going to be able to learn all of that inside myEcon just for the cost of your membership. So as I mentioned before, there are 3 join options. Everything that you see here on your screen, you're going to get at the FSM level, which is the $25 option to join or the $40 option to join. Now let's talk about the EBM level. So you're going to get everything that you see here on your screen, plus these additional services that I'm going to talk about right now, okay? At the EBM level, you get everything I just shared with you. Plus, you're also going to get an incredible travel membership that is going to allow you to save up to 70% off of retail prices. You're going to get a 110% price match guarantee, which means if you find a cheaper price elsewhere, they will literally pay you the difference. Are you going to get that with any other travel sites out there? No, you're not. And you also get to earn points towards future travel, which means every single time you book travel, whether it's renting a car, a hotel, a flight, a cruise, you're going to earn points. You can then redeem those points for free travel. You're also going to get access to something called ID Defender or Defender Plus. This is where you have 24/7 monitoring of your personal information. This is just like LifeLock, only better. And of course, this is included in your myEcon membership. So whether it's your phone number, your email, your home address, your social security number, it is all going to be protected 24/7. And I can speak personally to this product here. It is absolutely awesome. I actually had someone trying to hack my Gmail, and I got advance notification that this was happening through Defender Plus, and they let me know and told me that I should change my password right away. I did. I continued to see people trying to hack my Gmail, and they weren't able to get in, and I was properly notified because of this product. And you can get access to this at the EBM membership levels. So that is what is included in the myEcon products and services. So once we dive into the future videos, I'm going to dive into each of these products and show you them so you can see them for yourself and understand how they work and, of course, what you're going to get access to. So in order to get started, my friend, and activate your myEcon membership, you can literally hit the link in the description down below, or I put it right here on your screen. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and send me a text message. I left my phone number right here at the top of this video, or that is also in the description down below. Please don't call. I only respond to text messages. Okay, so that is it, my friend. Get started. You're going to be part of an incredible business in 2025 with myEcon. So hope you got value from this review. If you want more information, continue watching the videos in this playlist. The thing I'm going to go over with you next in the very next video is what you get when you join our team. I'm going to break that down for you and show you all of the specific value and everything that we offer and how we give you over $10,000 in free value. If you don't want to wait for that, go ahead and get yourself started, my friend. Of course, it's less than $100 to activate your myEcon membership, and you could literally be up and running within an hour from watching this video, have all of your sales funnels set up, and be out there putting out content and starting to generate leads and sales very, very quickly with our system. We have a proven and documented method and system to building your myEcon business, my friend. Plain and simple, it works, and it works really, really well. So go ahead, hit the link in the description down below and get started, or you could simply type that link into your browser. It's a lot easier to click the link down below, I'm just saying. Okay, so if you want to see more about what we do, who we are, go ahead and move on to the next video, and I will see you there. Take care.